about science! Guys, there is a gravity on our life. That's why we can jump. Example. Okay, she's so cool. And faster. Ini. Fell down. It is because the gravity. If there is no gravity, then the wallet will fly. Not just the wallet, all the things in our earth will fly if there is no gravity. Gravity. For example, there is an atom in our daily life like this charger.